Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js Canva clone image and PDF editor directly in the browser. We are running this locally here, as you can see. So this is similar to Canva. All the features, we have a simple little canvas where you can actually add text, images. We also have different export buttons as well. We can export to PNG, JPG, SVG and PDF as well. So first of all, we have the canvas here. We can simply click on this button to actually change the background color. So here you can choose from the color picker, change the background color, and we also have the option to add text. So if you click that, a modal window will open. So right here you will be able to add text with all the options of alignment, color, text. You can control all these properties and place your text. And then if you want to export this as a PNG file, you can click the export button to actually export this as a image file. You also have the option to export this to a PDF file as well. So once you click it will export this. So it's a overall React Canva clone project here. All the source code you can directly purchase it. I have given the link in the description. So for building this application, we are using React, the latest version. As you can see, we are also using some third-party libraries which is Fabric.js and jsPDF. And this is a single page application. So once you get the source code, you will be able to be modified in the source code or add additional features. And we are running this application locally here by simply running the command npm run dev. So this has started this React application at localhost 3000. So all the basically the components are divided into a JSX file, CSS file, and JavaScript file. So each and every code, it's coded here. So everything is customizable. So once you get the source code, you will be able to see how I built this application. And if any modification you want to make, you can edit any of these files. So every component is customizable, and we also have the options for adding different kinds of shapes as well. So from here you can select which shape you want to add: rectangle, circle, square, triangle. After that, you can control width, height. You can even fill out with a specific color as well. You can control width, shadow. You can even put and click on add, and you can put this shape right here. So all the features of Canva. So it's a layered based editor. So it keep track of each layer that you add on the thumbnail on the right hand side. So here you can actually control the visibility. You can lock a particular layer or basically move layer down, up. So all this you can even sh show the visibility. You can change the visibility, hide, unhide. Everything is customizable. So you will see that you also have option to add third-party images. You simply add the image, and then you can control the size of the image. So everything is customizable, as you can see. So using this, you can make social media thumbnails. You can export your make PDF files as well. So you can export this to a SVG file as well. So you can just see here. So it has basically built out a scalable vector graphic. So an ultimate Canva clone editor, which is actually is a single page application. You can purchase the script here. I've given the link in the description. So you will basically get all this source code automatically from Google Drive, and you will be able to modify it. So it's basically using jsPDF and Fabric.js, all the free libraries. So right here you can even change this to a gradient. So just select, you can basically change it to a gradient as well. Or if you have a pattern, so we have a lot of patterns. You can even add your own patterns as well. Inside this, you can select any of the patterns. Or if you want to put a custom image as a background, you can even put that as well. So custom image as a background, you can even put that as well. So all these customizable options are there. So you can see how easy it is to. I shown you all the feature of this Canva clone. So now if you are interested, you can even put the grid as well to actually measure, to place elements accordingly. So everything is customizable. So So if you're interested in this React project, Canva clone project, the link is given in the description.